In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the matchmaking error in Rainbow Six Siege. First, ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates on your platform, whether it's PC, PS5, or Xbox, and download any available patches. Next, try restarting your game. Sometimes, simply closing the game and relaunching it can resolve temporary connectivity issues. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and that you're not experiencing any network interruptions. You can also try resetting your router to clear any potential network issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. After the router restarts, check your connection again. If the matchmaking error persists, consider clearing the cache of your game. On PC, you can do this by navigating to the game's folder and deleting temporary files. On consoles, you can clear the cache by powering down the console completely, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you can visit the Rainbow Six Siege support page for further assistance or check community forums for any ongoing server issues. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.